What's going on, guys? Triple M here, and a lot of requests for this video because I just wanted to show you YouTube TV. Very competitive in my opinion. A lot of you guys know about some of the IPTV services that will run you from $20 all the way to $30, $40. Well, YouTube TV gives you 60 plus channels, and it's only $40 a month, and you get 6 accounts. So today's video, I just wanted to do a run through. I'm going to set it up. We're going to test some of the channels, see what our options are, and then if you have any questions about this or the process, just let me know. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Big shout out to everyone that has subscribed to my channel. For you guys that are new, I do a lot of cool videos on here, different ways to save you money, cut the cord, save money on your cable bill, and this is a prime example. So if you haven't subscribed, smash that subscribe button in the top right. Also hit that notification bell, guys. That way when a new video or giveaway is released, you will get a notification on your device. So I'm not going to keep you much longer. Go ahead and smash that thumbs up, and let's go ahead and scroll through. So they do offer a free trial, guys. It looks like it's a 7-day trial, and after that it'll be $40 a month, as it says right here, and it is cancel anytime, so you're not tied into any contract. So let's scroll down a little bit. Just some of the features. You get 6 accounts per household, guys, which is ridiculous compared to some of the different services that we see. This is a good number right here. You get cloud DVR, no storage, so you know that Google and YouTube are tied together. If you think about YouTube in general, that's where the videos are uploaded. That's where my videos are uploaded. There's never a charge. They have huge server farms, guys, that they can accommodate you recording your stuff, and it looks like it keeps it up to 90 days, so pretty cool. So let's scroll down. Here are the networks, or some of the networks not available in all areas, but here's a general overview of what you'll get. So right off the bat, you can see we get ABC, Cartoon Network, Fox. Look like we do have CNN. We have ESPN 1 and 2, ESPNU as well. Just take the time to look at the channel, see if it has what you need, and all about making an informed decision, guys. All right, scroll down some more, and of course it says try for free. They do have additional networks that will cost money. So for instance, Showtime is $11 a month, Fox Soccer $15, whatever this is at $5 a month, and this one is $7 a month. So if you guys need those additional channels, you do have that option. So I scroll down to the frequently asked questions, and this was very helpful for me initially. So what is YouTube TV? Alright, so basically YouTube TV is a streaming service that lets you watch TV from major broadcasts and popular cable networks. Guys probably already know this. Where is YouTube TV available? Right? So available in most metro areas. So you guys got to check it out in your own area, see if you're actually covered. Can I share my membership? Surprising, yes. Your YouTube TV membership comes with 6 accounts to share with roommates or family members in your household. All right, so it says in your household, so I'm not sure if I can take it on the road, which I believe you can. So I'm not sure how they monitor who the accounts are being shared with, and just verify that it's in your household. But it says you can share with family members, but it also says in your household. So something we'll check on and we'll follow up on a little bit later. It also says that everyone gets their own login, personal DVR, and up to 3 simultaneous streams are allowed per membership. So if you think about that, that's 6 accounts times 3, so you do the math. All right, can I watch YouTube TV while traveling? Works everywhere in the US. All right, how much does it cost? $40 a month for 1 membership with up to 6 accounts. So memberships include your local ABC, blah blah blah, sports. All right, what if I want to cancel? No problem, cancel anytime. Which devices can I watch YouTube TV on? Very important. All right, so looks like our goal is to let you watch YouTube anywhere or any device. You have Android L or later, iPhone iOS 9 or later. Okay, so L is for lollipop. Tablets, iOS 9.1 or later. Not currently available on Pixel devices, but it's coming soon. Computer, for the best viewing experience, download the latest version of Chrome. So it works better on Chrome. All right, stream with Chromecast, download on Roku, Apple TV, Android box, Xbox One, and supported Samsung LG TV. So very cool, guys. So it look like they have a lot of support or shows available on demand. Many networks provide recent shows. Does YouTube have ads? Yes. Right, so just like any normal network, guys, you're paying for cable now, you're paying for dish, you are seeing the ads, so no difference here. Don't expect it to go straight through the program. You're gonna have ads, no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Can I fast forward ads? You can't. All right, basically. And they do have more questions, so I'm not gonna keep you guys much longer. A lot of information there to take in, so let's go ahead and we'll jump into the sign up. I'm gonna try it for free. I'm gonna block some of these out, so let's go ahead and sign up. Alright, so right here it says looks like you're in the Follow metro area, so Orlando, Daytona Beach, Melbourne. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so what's included, this is specific to my area, guys. Remember, it says some channels may not be available, so you can see what's included in my area. Below you can see that there's a 7-day trial, cancel anytime. Click next. Add network, so this is where you put that additional network. Showtime, Fox Sports. Look like this is Shudder. I'm not sure what that is. Maybe that's something from up north. Sundance Now, never heard of that one either, but it is available. Click next. The estimated tax is $3.99. Today I paid $0, so pretty cool. So go ahead and buy that. All right, so it's completing my transaction. Alright, so welcome. Live TV is all yours. Learn how to make the most of your live TV. Let's take the tour. Alright, let's go. Alright. That's where you explore your live stuff. Home is where you find your recommended based on what, when, and whom you watch. Library is where you access the shows, teams, movies, and events you've added. Alright. Search, pretty self-explanatory. This is for help. Select your avatar for your account, and I'm ready. All right, so very excited. So this is sorted. Let's see how this is sorted. So it's the default. I can edit. All right, so it looks like I can move stuff around. All right. Let's play with the player. I am going to block a lot of this out, but I like the interface so far, and this is only the web browser. I will be trying it on an app just a little bit, just to show you guys how it looks on my Note 8. So let's go to ABC. Just going to hit play. So I'm going to pause it. I'm going to blur it out just to avoid issues with YouTube, even though I'm pushing their product technically. So, but I'll still get a copyright strike. So I'm going to pause it, just show you guys the play window, some of the interface. So it tells you the channel right here. This is go back 15 seconds, go forward 15 seconds. This is your play button. All right. You have your volume right here. You have closed caption. You do have settings. All right. So the speed, subtitles, you have your auto track, quality. All right, and right here you do have the option to go up next. So this is what's coming up next. Pretty cool. And it tells you the season and the name of the actual content as well. Right here is to actually start recording, which it records live. You don't need hard drive space. You don't need anything on your local machine to record your content. This is just information. All you have to do is huddle over it. And below, this is just your main menus that were up top before. So you have library, you have home, you have live TV. Let's go back home. So how cool is that, guys? Look like you can scroll up and down, and you can go to the next one. You do have an option right here. This is to cast it to a device, so you can cast it via Chromecast, or if your TV have that built in, you do have that option as well. Go back home. And here are my channels, guys. So awesome. I'm actually impressed. Let's do a search. Let's just search for this TNT. Bam, there's TNT. Click on it. All right, so it shows you what's live right now. Look like we're watching National Treasure. What's coming up next. You can kind of move the window around to put it where you need it. Wow. Alright, so I'm gonna pause it again here. pause it again here, guys. Just wanted to try out the DVR feature. So this is the record button right here. So if I click this guy right here, it says event added to your library. So it looks like it is recording right now. All right, so let's go back home. And let's go to my library. And there we go, guys. There's the recording that I just started. Pretty cool, right? So that's basically the overview for the web interface. What I want to do now is just jump over to my Android phone, my Galaxy Note 8, just see how it looks and see how user friendly it is. So here's the YouTube TV app. I just went to the Play Store, downloaded it. I was able to sign in with my Google account with no issues. So let's go ahead and launch it. All right, so here we are. Quick tutorial. I'm just gonna hit got it because I basically got the layout, how everything works. But the app itself looks a little bit different. So here's your library right here. Still giving me pointers. So you can see that it is still recording the hockey game that I started on my other device on my computer from earlier. So that's pretty cool. Let's go back home. All right, and go to live. And here's all our channels again. And just like the browser, it does have the option right here for you to sort through. You can do a custom sort if you wanted to, but here are all the channels, guys. The interface is nice and smooth. So back to this, guys. Like I said, this is a game changer. This gives you so many options to stream, multiple accounts, multiple users that you can have streaming at the same time. You can stream this on almost any device. So if you do have an iPhone, Android box, Android phone, if you have a smart TV, you should be able to download this app. It works on Roku. It works on all your smart devices. That it's almost criminal not to check this guy out. It do have a 7-day trial period, and go ahead, give it a shot. Let me know what you think. This is a game changer. I'm gonna call my cable company right now and tell them that I'm out. As I mentioned before, just make sure you have a stable network connection, because everything obviously will go off your network. So either your wired connection or your Wi-Fi. So you need to make sure you straighten that part out, get a decent router, modem, make sure everything's good to go. Then time to start cutting the cord and save your money. So like I said, drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of this service. Let me know if you think this is a game changer like I do, and let me know what you think of the overall availability and compatibility options with this streaming service. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Also like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.